Hello everyone. Today we shall discuss exercise 11.4 question number 1C. This is question number 1C. This is a rectangular box has height h centimeter. Its length is 5 times the height and breadth is 10 centimeter less than the length. Express the length and the breadth of the box in terms of height. Suppose this is a rectangular box. Suppose this is a rectangular box. This is a rectangular box. Here height is given as h, right? And length is given. That length is its length is 5 times the height. 5 times the height, that means 5h, right? And breadth is 10 centimeter less than the length. And breadth is at b, you can write b as 5h minus 10 centimeter. 5h minus 10 centimeter, right? Therefore, in this way you can solve the solution. Find the express the length. Therefore, it can be, length can be written as length of the rectangular box. Length of the rectangular box of the rectangular box. Length of the rectangular box is equal to 5 h centimeter, right? And breadth of the rectangular box, breadth of the rectangular box of the rectangular box, breadth of the rectangular box is equal to 5h minus 10 centimeter. This is the solution of question number 1C.